So, apparently they have now got him boxed in.
I would say they should do.
There's a few squads here, huh? What the heck is going on? Where is he?
Right up there at the pump.
What the heck is going on? Felony car stop?
30-4. Good. That California plate has been coming back on file. Is anybody able to confirm it with me?
As soon as we can, we're calling the different so.
I'll be calling back to the 153.
28 is day.
You're not 100% sure which car, if this is the right car, but
33-52 for New Organ.
32 S4.
obviously you saw they're conducting a felony car stop to get the occupants out.
We have more than enough cars here. There's people still responding, making slow.
I would say we have a lot.
Driver doesn't match the description.
Driver does not match the description. How's it going?
You want to do first?
Beat that. Well, we we'll just stay in case the passenger matches the description. It isn't looking like. Oh, got the phone going. The passenger's recording the stop.
Oh, it's 7130 and 7106.
Oh my goodness. He's got what on?
7106.
For DLC at 5294 Quincy Street, Burrill, ringing the
That's a
doorbell,
little
knocking on the door, refusing to leave. Subject to the black male, 20 stocky belt, unknown clothing.
Why is he being that way?
There you go. 167.
Thank you, 157.
All right.
2164.
2164.
Well,
You're LPI with one at LBL.
so anyhow, one of the reasons we muted it, the suspect vehicle didn't know that for sure they were being followed, and we didn't want to give them any opportunity. Is that north there?
Yeah.
So, doesn't look like that's the right car, do you think?
Apparently not.
No, but that passenger was acting pretty cagey.
Yeah.
He was recording the police officers with his phone as he got out because he had his light on his phone. Not a lot of people do that.
28 is California, 8 Davis, 0 Union, 9.